You know better.
You guys are playing ball, then take the bat away.
You know better than that. You know better than that.
Yeah, take the bat away.
All right.
Maybe that's the best answer. They don't know where they're swinging.
One more time, I'm taking it from you.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
Uh-oh.
Okay, everybody look at the camera and wave.
Hi.
Uh-oh. Look at those silly kids. Oh, what's the matter, Jack?
I was going to try to fix it for you.
Push it again to turn it off. Hi, Levy. Say hi, JD.
Hi, Daddy.
We miss you.
We miss you.
We love you.
We love you, Daddy.
All right, I'll just put it over here then.
It's still beeping, so I don't know what to do.